Hi there, Kendra Tolbert here. I'm a registered dietitian and yoga teacher, and I am back with another fertility smoothie recipe. And just like the other recipe, just because it's called a fertility smoothie doesn't mean it's only for those who are trying to conceive. It will absolutely support you no matter what your health-related, well-being related goals might be. So I started this one with a different liquid base. In the past video, I used water. This time I am using some iced green tea that I made, so that may be something that you want to explore. It's a great way of getting in more antioxidants if you use like an herbal tea or a green tea as the base for your smoothie. Something to consider trying out. Next up, I have a cup of chopped carrots. I love adding carrots to smoothies. They're just a tiny bit sweet. They add a really fun punch of color. You'll see that at the very end. Full of vitamin A, full of fiber. So I think they're a great choice. One of my absolute favorite things about carrots is that when you buy them, they stay fresh for a lot longer than leafy greens. So I think root vegetables are a great choice if you're someone who doesn't always get through your vegetables. If you're wondering what just happened to that leaf, it fell into some flax seeds, which we'll see later on. Anyhow, so we have spinach, speaking of leafy greens, great source of folate, great source of iron, tons of fiber, and I think it provides a fun color to our smoothies. And I added in just about 2 cups of that spinach. Now we're adding in some banana. I almost always add in bananas for the sweetness and for the creaminess. So this is one, about a medium-sized banana, but use what you have. Next, I am adding in half of a medium avocado. Again, love avocado for the creamy texture that it provides and for the fats, which helps to give a more balanced nutrient profile to this smoothie. And then I'm adding in oranges, so tons of vitamin C. It's going to help us absorb some of the iron from that spinach. It's also going to add in some more sweetness. The last recipe I shared with you, definitely not super sweet. So if you are someone who likes your smoothies to taste a bit sweeter, you might like this one a little bit more. Last, we're adding in flax. Always flax. Actually, this isn't last, but next we're adding in, this is 2 tablespoons of flax. I like to add these in for the fat, the fiber, and the slightly nutty flavor. Now here's the last ingredient, ginger. Add in as much or as little as you'd like. Going to pop on the top. And then get this spinning, so you'll just blend until smooth. And there you have it. Our fertility smoothie is all done. Super quick, super simple, super nutritious, and hopefully you find it to be super tasty as well. Make sure to check out the description box below where I have the full recipe and a link to the last fertility smoothie recipe I shared. Enjoy your day, enjoy this smoothie, and be well.